Hi, YouTube Nation.
Hello, YouTube Nation!
That's my line. Alright, we got another box.
Yeah.
Who's this one from?
This is from Chrono Toys. We've never gotten a box from them before, so now here's yours.
Alright. I feel like we've done 4,000 of these.
We have.
We might be going to PA.
What's that?
Pops Anonymous. Let's see what we got! Alright, we're here. We got our knife. That's not a knife. It's not. Still, we're watching a lot of these boxing things. There is a thing that's like, what? And it, like, a blade, it is astonishing. You should watch, after watching us, you should go watch maybe somebody else do one. So, Chrono Toys.
Yeah.
From El Monte, California.
Yeah, so this was the Chrono Toys May Weekly Challenger Series Mystery Box. They were $10.99 each, and we got 3 pops.
That's all it's in here is 3?
Yeah.
It's a big box for 3 pops.
Big box. So we got 3.
Okay, let's open it. It's a big box.
Little boxes inside.
Then there's a little box.
I like it when they double box because I think
it protects them.
I think it's good.
I just gotta make sure that nothing's like written on it like you were the big winner or anything like that. Well, darn. All right.
I don't think they would do that.
Miss Rebecca?
Yeah.
There are 3 boxes. Which one's first?
This one.
This one's first. Which one's second?
This one.
This one. Which one's last?
This one.
Oh, okay. Well, good. We're going to go in reverse order. Just kidding. All right. Box number 1 that Miss Rebecca picked. You can not avert your eyes for a minute until I cut this. You got a second. All right. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. It is...
Oh, my gosh. It's either something really good or something we've gotten a bajillion times.
It is not anything that we have gotten before. I have wanted this for a long time. Not just this one. This is going to turn me down a path of collecting.
Ooh.
I am a big fan of this one.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ooh, our first He-Man. He's excited. We love a He-Man, and we don't have any.
I love it.
Ooh.
Cyclone.
That's a cool one, too. We used to have his actual figure. Like
We
his
did.
Old school
Used to
figure.
have a lot of those. Do not have so many.
Those are cool.
That's a good one. All right.
Yeah.
If we get 2 different more He-Man, this is so far my favorite one we've ever done. Miss Rebecca, probably not so much.
I like He-Man.
All right.
Okay.
Not a He-Man,
Okay.
but it is a franchise that I like.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
All right. Showing the camera.
Okay.
This is a Smuggler's Bounty exclusive. 3, 2, 1, go!
Count Dooku. Ooh, look at
That's a
this.
Dooku. It ain't a
A
Doku.
Dooku?
Oh.
People say Doku. I heard them say Doku
they're
before.
wrong. It's a Dooku.
It's a Dooku?
It's a Dooku.
Huh. Count Dooku. Are you sure? That sounds weird.
Count Doo-Doo.
No.
Not so bad.
No, I like his lightsaber. That's pretty good.
All right. Last but not least, let's see if Miss Rebecca put them in the order. We're going to play a different game today.
Okay.
All right, we're going to play a game at the end of this that I've just thought of. Okay?
Okay.
All right. This one is face down, so I have no earthly idea of what it is.
Okay. And it's wrapped in tight.
This one has a whole lot more bubble wrap as well.
Oh my.
All right. Got that out.
Ooh, got it.
It's hard to get to. All right. This is neat. All right. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
Sis Homaru.
Her name is Sis Dooku.
No. She's a anime. She has a moon on her head.
I know.
She's cute.
I was hoping for a Moon Knight once I saw that, but
Or a Sailor Moon. I
Or
love
a Moon
Sailor
Knight.
Moon.
okay. So We're going to look these up on our app. But first, before you get to your phone, I want you to put them in the order from greatest value to least value per the app that you use. So, if you think one is worth $1, it would go here. If one is, so highest to least.
I think it goes like this.
This is almost like The Price is Right. Now,
it is like The Price is Right. That's neat. I love that game.
So you think Dooku is first?
Yeah.
Cyclone second. Is third.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start with third first.
Okay.
We're going to go in the middle. We're going to say $13.
Oh, I don't think so.
Look, there's a 15, a 14. I mean, there's a 10.
Okay, $13.
Okay. You're lucky I didn't give you a 14, just because I want to see you lose at the game.
Oh, I'm going to look on eBay for the rest of these, just so they're comparable.
Love it. How much did we say she was? 12?
13.
13. All right, so $13.
Cyclone. Oh, I think I lost. Dang it. Well, no, that's like 13.
Well, that's 12. That's
But
12.
You have to round.
That's 10.
No, you can.
That's another 10.
You can round up.
That's in yen.
Oh,
Yeah, we're going to go 10 for Cyclone.
darn it.
But you know what?
What?
I love everything about that one. All right. Count Doo-Doo.
I put him most just because he has the sticker on him.
Ooh,
Oh, okay.
That's a good one.
He's worth like $33.
All right, so plus.
I didn't win.
You didn't.
Oh.
I would have put them in the exact order you did.
See?
Yeah, I would have. Because if I know a lot about geeky stuff. There is not a skin cell on my body that I know about anime stuff. Not a thing.
Either.
And so, how much we pay for this?
Each box was $11.
So
it was like $45. It was like $45 after shipping.
Okay, so 45. We got 56. That one is getting kept. So
yeah,
we are golden.
Yeah.
So all this video really showed everybody. We're gonna collect Masters of the Universe pops now. All right, you ready, Miss Rebecca?
Ready.
All right, peace out, homeschooling.